nakakatulong ba talaga or effective ba talaga ang zero accident target sa isang organization para ma-boost or ma-improve ang safety culture. So pag-usapan natin yan, zero accident target or zero harm program na meron tayo or meron kayo sa isang organization. So let me start on my on-hand experience. Simula tayo sa storya. Nung nagtatrabaho pa ako sa manufacturing 10 years ago, this company has a really good system. They have 3 ISO. So alam nyo na yung 3 ISO na yun, yung quality, health and safety, and environment. And they have a complete system. What I mean by complete is they have different procedures, programs, okay? Even they are using JSA, Job Safety Analysis, which is more detailed, which is really applicable and effective pagdating sa manufacturing, pagdating sa mga processing. Now, my experience was when I was conducting investigation, merong isang babae na aksidente sa hand injury. Nag-report siya sa clinic, and yung communication ng accident is, syempre pagka na-aksidente ka, di ba, as an individual, pupunta ka sa clinic. So sa clinic ka gagamutin, bigyan ka ng first aid, you will be recommended to be sent to hospital kung kailangan, and they will conduct their initial investigation. Ano ba yung nature of injury, parts of the body, what happened, and they will send it to the concerned department, especially health and safety. So as safety, alam naman natin, yung ating role is to gather information, to conduct investigation, di ba? To identify the root cause and to provide corrective action together with the inputs of the other departments or concerned people, especially yung supervisor, managers, and yung mga workers natin. Now, yung aksidente is nangyayari 3 days na. 3 days na nangyari yung aksidente. And yung kamay niya medyo nag-ube na. Siguro naipit yung hindi ko na maalala. Naipit yata yung babae. Kasi gabi yun ako nag-conduct ng interview. And 3 days na nangyari yung insidente bago pa niya na-report sa clinic. And I asked for some question, and of course may hesitation sometimes, so there will be some technique on investigation which we have to apply. So before, I was very new, very young. I wish I had those kind of skills. At least we are improving based sa na-experience natin, of course. And the organization, yung company, meron kaming program, incentive or award system, whatever you call it, na ang department na merong mababang number na aksidente will be rewarded. So imagine if your department has 0 accident for the past 2 years, for the past 5 years, at ikaw ang makakasira ng record na yun dahil lang sa isang aksidente, maliit man yan or malaki, diba? Kung ikaw yung nasa posisyon ng babae, magre-report ka ba sa clinic? 5 years ang department mo, clean record, and they are achieving the target, 0 accident, for the past 5 years, pupunta ka ba sa clinic para i-report yung maliit na aksidente na nangyari sa'yo? But for myself, if I am young, yes, I receive orientation to report accident. If I am young, of course not. Diba, matatakot ka. Baka mamaya sabihan ka ng mga kasama mo, ikaw pa yung nakasira ng record, diba? So in my own thoughts, in my own opinion, may disadvantage pagdating sa pag-implement or paglalagay ng zero accident target. Although of course, yung mga organizations, syempre, alam naman natin, gusto natin walang mangyaring aksidente. Diba? Sino ba naman gusto magkaroon ng aksidente every year? Especially yung mga managers natin, especially yung owner, diba? So, may disadvantage effect ang paglalagay ng zero accident target sa isang organization, lalo na as individual. So that is my thought about zero harm program na I experience on hand. Let me know your thoughts, let me know your comment, feedback pagdating dito sa opinion natin sa zero harm program. And again, I'm not against this program, I'm not against you who's doing it and telling the people that our target is zero, which will not be exist. Some people will hide it for sure. Even a small injury, even a simple trip. If you are agree with me, let me know. And if not, also let me know. That is only my opinion. Okay guys? So ayun lang, have a nice day and bye bye.